Welcome to FETW Insights, daily iron ore and steel updates, 21st July 2026. Hi, I am Sughankar. Let's begin with today's key updates from the iron ore and steel market. SGX contract settled at 98.45/DMT in the noon closing hours, down by 1.17% from the previous session, after trading between 98.05/T and 99.10/T during the session. The decline was primarily driven by weaker Chinese steel demand indicators as China's H1 2026 steel production fell 3.0% YoY, while the prolonged property sector downturn continued to weigh on construction activity and rebar consumption. On the supply side, sentiment remained bearish as China's June iron ore imports rose 6.4% YoY to a 6-month high of 112.69 million tons. Port inventories stayed elevated, and stable shipments from Australia and Brazil ensured ample seaborne availability. The combination of sluggish downstream steel consumption and comfortable raw material supply remained the key factor behind today's SGX iron ore price weakness. Turning to the Indian domestic market, the Indian domestic steel market showed a mixed trend today, with prices remaining varied across different regions due to uneven demand conditions and cautious market sentiment. While some markets witnessed price stability, supported by selective buying and improved inquiries, others faced pressure due to limited transactions and competitive pricing. Traders continued to adopt a cautious approach, balancing inventory levels with uncertain demand conditions. Overall, the market remained range-bound, with regional price movements reflecting a combination of demand recovery and ongoing market challenges. Pellet prices in India varies between 7,700 to 8,350 per ton ex barbil. Price is stable. Pellet sponge trading levels around 23,700 to 23,800 in Raipur. Price is down by 50 to 100. Domestic billet trading levels in Raipur at 37,800 to 37,900. Price is down by 100 to 200 rupees. Rebar trading levels at Raipur 39,300 to 39,400 for the grade FE500. Price is down by 300 to 400 rupees. However, in southern India, the trading levels between 44,000 to 45,500 rupees. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and stay ahead with FETW Insights. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also join our community group through the link in the description to connect and engage further.